everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about a recipe on how to make 100% organic edible slime. So this slime in front of you has no glue, no borax, no detergent, no toothpaste, no contact lens solution, basically none of those chemical dirty ingredients. It is 100% edible, so you and your kids will be very safe when making and playing with it. You might never seen this recipe elsewhere because I am so new in this YouTube community. Please stay until the end of the video because I have an announcement to make. It's an international giveaway announcement. So let's get started. So the consistency could be a huge challenge for the organic slime making process. If you follow my recipe closely, you will not get the runny slime or those slimes which cannot stretch. It will be just fine. All we need is water, Chinese sticky rice flour, tapioca flour, food color, and cake decorations. In order to make successful organic slime, you have to follow the following ratio exactly right. The sticky rice flour to tapioca flour to water should be 1 to 1 to 2. So now we're going to add 100 ml of tapioca flour, 100 ml of sticky rice flour, and 200 ml of water. And then you use a mixer or a Chinese chopstick to blend them very evenly until the consistency looks like this. Then you can separate it into different bowls for later use. You can make the slimes of different colors and with different food decorations. So at this point you can add the food color in. For me, I'm just gonna make this slime of pumpkin color since in Canada Thanksgiving is here. So we just heated the pot on medium and then you add the mixture in. Wait for it to be heated up. At around 60 degrees, the consistency will change into this kind of slimy consistency, and you keep using the chopsticks to blend, to mix them together, and make sure only goes one direction. You'd want to do it either clockwise or counterclockwise, but never both. Eventually, the slime should be gathered by the chopstick. At this point, it is not safe to pass the slime to your children because it's extremely hot. Let's wait until it cools down to warm, and then you want to use your hands to stretch out the slime ball. Just keep working with it. If it's too dry, make sure add a little bit of water. To me, this step is extremely fun and stress releasing. So at this point you might have noticed that the color of the slime ball is not even, which means it is not ready for your children to play with. Just keep working with it until the color is evenly distributed throughout the slime ball. At this point, the whole slime ball should be very evenly elastic. Then you can pass it on for your children to have fun with. The rule is the more you work with it, the more elastic it would be. Look how slimy this is. So the slime made according to this recipe would be mostly fun when played when it is warm. So if it's cooled down, you can run hot water over it and then wait for a while. You can keep playing with it. For the ingredients, you can get the tapioca flour in almost every grocery stores in Canada. So for the Chinese sticky rice flour, if you go to an Asian market, just ask for help. Usually it's on the shelf and someone would be able to help you. So I'm going to do a small giveaway. As you might have seen that my channel is about healthy lifestyle, clean eating, recipes, or some recipes like this, teaching people how to make organic slime from scratch. So if you like to enter this giveaway, please be a subscriber of my channel. Please be a follower of my Instagram, Curious Kitty and Olivia. I will pick out 2 subscribers. Each of you guys will get one Leuchtturm 1917 bullet journal along with a lip balm from the French brand Nuxe. The result will be announced on October the 20th. If you enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you would like to enter the giveaway, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. If you would like to see more videos from me, please click the link on the screen. And I'm going to make some more slimes. See you next time in my new video.